Hello students, welcome to class 6 subject mathematics chapter simplifications, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. Today we will discuss about some expressions which we have to simplify by using Bodmas rule. So we will see how to use that Bodmas rule. First we will understand the meaning of BODMAS. So here B represents brackets. So how many types of brackets are there? So we will see there are some brackets. First one is bar, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Then O4 of B4 divide M4 multiplication A4 addition S4 subtraction. Now we will see one example first, that how to use these all type of brackets and this Bodmas rule. Suppose the question is 27 minus 18 minus 16, 5 minus 4 minus 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So 23 will be the answer here. Similarly, if we want to solve a question like this, 7.5 minus 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 and 1 by 4 minus half 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 1 by 6. So first convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So this will give us 15 by 2, 9 by 4, 5 by 4, half, 3 by 2, and 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 This one will be 1 by 6 again. So after cancellation 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we got here 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now we have to subtract these two fractions. So how to subtract? Do the LCM first. 4 of 3. So what we will get here? 15 minus 12, 8 divided by 12. So this will give us 'So this will be the answer 51 by 14. So this way we have to solve simplifications using Bodmas rule. So in Bodmas rule B represent brackets. So there will again four types of bracket. First is bar symbol. So that one we have to do first. Bar symbols work will be first, then the first bracket, then this curly bracket and third bracket. So students, now look at one new thing, that is square root. What is square root? The square root of a given number. Is that number whose square is the given number. Root 4 equal to 2, root 9 equal to 3, root 36 equal to 6. Method: for finding the square root of a number, express the number express as product of primes. Then take the product of all primes, choosing one out of the every pair. Take the product of all primes, choosing one out of one of every pair. 121. So this one, if you factorize, so 11 11s are 11 into 11. So square root of 121 will be 11. So one pair from the pair we have chosen only one. So this way we have to solve all the square roots of a given numbers. Suppose one big number is there. Suppose 8100. This is the given number and we have to find out the square root of 8110. 8100. So first factorize this one. So by 3 we will factorize the lowest prime number. We have to divide the given number by the lowest prime number, which will be completely divide the given number. So 327 are 81, 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9, 300 are 300, 2 50 are 100, 2 25 are 50, 5 5 are 25. Now we have to choose the pairs. First choose the pairs and among the pairs choose only one number for square root. So here it will be 3 into 3, 2 into 5. So it will be 90. 9 tens are 90. The square root will be 90 here. So this way we have to solve. So students, hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.